One night around to 17 a.m., my phone rang. Unknown number. Half asleep, I almost ignored it, but something made me answer. A weak voice said, "Hello. Is this Ahmed?" I said, "No, wrong number." There was a long silence. Then the person quietly said, "Oh, sorry." I was about to hang up when I heard something strange. It sounded like the person was crying. I asked, "Are you okay?" Another silence. Then he said something I still remember. "I just needed someone to talk to tonight." I didn't know this person. I didn't even know his name. But something in his voice felt heavy, like he had been carrying the world alone. So instead of hanging up, I stayed. We talked for almost an hour. He told me he had lost his job 2 months earlier. His family didn't know. His savings were gone. He felt like a failure. Tonight he had decided to call his friend Ahmed before doing something final. But he dialed the wrong number. My number. I didn't give him any genius advice. I just listened. Sometimes that's all a person needs. Before we ended the call, I said, "Listen, tomorrow morning, promise me you'll try one more day. Just one." He promised. We never spoke again. 6 months later, I got a message from an unknown number. "Hey, you probably don't remember me. I called you by mistake one night. I was at the lowest point of my life. You stayed on the phone with me for an hour. That night saved me. Today I started my new job. Thank you for picking up." I sat there staring at my phone for a long time. Sometimes you don't need to change the world. Just answer the phone.